Hi, I'm Arnold Poole. I'm the municipal court judge for the city of McMinnville. You may have received a citation for a crime and to appear in court. That first appearance is called an arraignment, and that's where you go to learn what the charges are against you and what rights you have. As far as misdemeanors go, the most serious ones are called A misdemeanors, Class A. And they are punishable by up to a year in the county jail and a fine of up to $6,250. The next level are B misdemeanors, and they're punishable by up to 6 months in the county jail and a fine of up to $2,500. And then finally, Class C misdemeanors are punishable by up to 30 days in the county jail and a fine of up to $1,250. Now, you have certain rights. You have the right to remain silent about the facts and the circumstances of your case. And yes, anything that you say can be used against you. You have the right to have a lawyer represent you at all stages of the case, including how to plead to the charge or charges. And if you qualify, you have the right to a court-appointed lawyer. You have the right to obtain and review copies of reports or in records written in your case. You have the right to a trial. During a trial, you have the right to question witnesses who are called to testify against you. You have the right to compel witnesses by subpoena issued by either the court clerk or by your lawyer. You have the right to appeal if you're found guilty and ask for a new trial in Yamhill County Circuit Court, although only limited appeals are available for contempt, probation violation proceedings, and a plea of guilty or no contest. If you are not a citizen of the United States, a conviction of a crime may result in your deportation or exclusion from readmission or denial of your naturalization. If you are a service member or a veteran, your status as such may make you eligible for certain treatment programs, diversions, specialty courts, or mitigated sentencing. You should consult with a lawyer if you have any questions regarding your eligibility. Now, you're going to have certain options when you come to court. The city prosecutor will probably meet you and give you the option of learning what the city's offer is to you. And that could be one of a couple of things. One is a deferred sentence. You heard me talking about diversions before. This is similar to that because that's an agreement between you and the city. And many of those agreements include an ultimate dismissal if you do certain things. On the other hand, if you don't follow that agreement, then you end up being convicted of the charge. The other option that you may get with the city is an executed sentence. And that's when the prosecutor will offer you a certain sentence or a choice of what the sentence might be. As always, you can hire your own lawyer and you can ask for a court-appointed lawyer. Before one is appointed, you'll have to complete a financial application. You'll have to return to court after the judge decides if you qualify or do not qualify. If you do qualify, the judge will appoint a lawyer for you, and all further court appearances will be with that lawyer. You may decide not to accept the prosecutor's offer, but still plead guilty or no contest. In that case, the prosecutor will make a recommendation for sentencing to the judge, and you can make a recommendation as well. The judge will then decide what the sentence really should be. And then finally, and of course, most importantly, you can request a trial. You may either have a 6-person jury or a judge decide your case. And the city will have the burden to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt and to a moral certainty.